Hey guys, welcome to World Religions course. I'm so excited to have you in this course. My name is Chris Carroll. I am the instructor for this class, and it's a great class because what it does is it introduces us to a lot of different and unique religions that are scattered all throughout the world. But not only are they scattered throughout the world, you'll find many of these religions in your own backyard, whatever community you're in. I promise you that you'll be able to encounter individuals who practice Judaism or Islam or Buddhism in your grocery store, in other places of business. So it's important that we study these religions, not just so that we can learn interesting facts and traditions and customs, but also so we can relate to other individuals in our community as because religion is an extreme part of everything that we do. Whether you're a Christian or a Jew, it is important for us to be able to respect other people's viewpoints and also values when it comes to religion. So that's what we're going to do with this class. And I just want to encourage you as you get started to take a few moments and to first of all recognize that this is the best way to get a hold of me, my email. Since this class meets online, it is important that if you have questions, concerns, or you need some help, email me and then we can set up a Zoom call. We can discuss through email, but please use that email to contact me. I open up each week on a Monday. It closes on a Sunday, with most of your assignments being due on a Sunday, except for your discussion post initial forms are due on Thursdays. And you'll find that as we go throughout the semester. Of course, you'll need to check your announcements. I'll put announcements up all of the time to kind of encourage you to see what's happening, what's going on for each respective week. So make sure that you're reading the announcements. Take a look also at the syllabus. You'll find the course syllabus located right here, and it is extremely helpful in knowing what grade distributions look like. Got a brief schedule of what we're going to be doing. I do want to share with you two things as it relates to the syllabus. Number one, please make sure that you attend each week. Attendance for this class, since it's online, means that you submit assignments. If you complete assignments, then that shows that you were in class. If you don't complete assignments, that shows you were absent, and you do not want to get in trouble for not doing your assignments, because then that shows as attendance, which means you could be withdrawn because of absences. So please do that. Also, please note that late work is not accepted. Late work is not accepted for this class, so you need to make sure that you do everything by the due date. So if it's due Sunday at 11:55, please don't turn it in on Monday because it will not be accepted. Okay, please turn in all work before the due date. Several other important things. You'll need to complete the enrollment verification quiz, which is located right here. Please do this by January 12th. It is based on the syllabus. And it's pretty easy, but you need to complete it by the 12th because that will guarantee you to remain in this class. I look forward to having you in this class. I'm here to help you. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate to reach out. I think you're really going to enjoy the course. At least I hope so. So until we talk again, wish you the very best and hope you have a great week. Take care.